Well, this is for you, Beans, but you're making a practical decision.
Decisions.
There's no need for any more suffering. Your family's ranch is nothing but a wasteland now. Sign the deed and relieve yourself of your father's burden.
My daddy was not a burden. Keep your blood money and I'll keep my land.
Do what he says, or by all the fires of the Black Pit, I'll squeeze them pretty brown eyes out of your skull.
Now hold on, Chief. There's no need.
Let me do my job! You brought me in, now we're gonna play this thing out to the end.
Sign the damn paper, woman.
Go to hell.
Where do you think I come from? Look into my eyes. I wanna see you die. Jay! I'm calling you out! This day just got a little more interesting. Put her down. What, little man? You gonna kill me?
That's just about the size of it.
Get your filthy paws off me!
Shut your door! All right, Sheriff. Make your move.
amigos.
That was a bad idea.
Thirsty, brother? What is that?
It's our salvation, Paul!
It's a jailbreak, boys! We're busted out!
I'm gonna blow so many holes in you, your guts will be leaking lead.
Well, then it's a good thing I brought some backup.
Ain't no hawk. Ain't nothing but bats.
It only takes one bullet.
You ain't got the nerve.
Try me.
Oh, Mr. Rango, aren't you forgetting something? Hand me your gun, Sheriff. Now, Mr. Rango.